Hi viewers of Regis View, or subscribers. So I've been working on the floor, and because he wants tiles on the kitchen floor, then I have to make sure that the floor under is very stable and do not rock. So what I've been doing is, I think you call them, it's not rafters, or is it rafters? Wooden rafters. In Danish we call them lægter, and what we do is we strengthen them by using what we call siblings. So you create siblings on the existing rafters to make them more sturdy, more stable. As you can see here, I have one here and one here. These are the original, so they are screwed in to make the floor more stable. And this is the next one I'm going to put on over here. So that's what I've been doing at the moment, so we can make sure that this floor will be ready for in the end tile floor. Yep, I'll keep you posted.